The South Africans are telling me that wait for June 30th. Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. You know, the mad dogs are going to back. Wow, wow, wow. But nothing will happen. Leave people alone. Let people be. You understand? You should be asking yourselves, if there is a drug problem, which I might agree with you, who are the people who buys those drugs? Those drugs are sold to who? I've said countless times that I do not support, and I don't support anyone who is doing illegal stuff, selling of drugs or uh, kidnapping of children. I do not support any kind of anything like that. All that kind of madness, I do not support it. But also, you guys, you need to ask yourselves, who are the people who buys those drugs? Where do they come from? Okay, you already know. You say that the Nigerians are the ones, mainly, you say foreigners, but mainly the Nigerians. I believe they're also good Nigerians as much as they're bad Nigerians. Just like the way they're good South Africans, black South Africans, as much as there are so many bad ones. So you should go and ask yourself, who are the people who buys these drugs? And again, for Orlando Pirates, let's go. We are winning this.
Woza 31 June, woza londoloza, woza kushtomayo Samson Roparatsuka. Siyakwazi sonke lokho ukuthi nge 31 June wonke umuntu ufuna ukwazi ukuthi kuzokwenzekani. Nge 31 June kunento enikhohlwayo. Ningakhohlwa ukuthi uNkwanazi ephoyisa. uNkwanazi is a policeman. Ushilo nje uMkhwanazi athi maningake nizwe nje umuntu oyi-1 ozokhuluma ngokucotsha amazayizayi nimazise. Ayikho lento emthethweni ukuthi wena uzocamuka la ucamuka khona uthi amazayizayi kufanele babuyele emakhaya. Awunalo lelo lungelo. Kuyokubosha umuntu. Yazi ngiyanitshela. Kuyokubosha umuntu nge-30 June. Ngifuna ukunitshela nina abahlala la eMzansi abanganamaphepha. Mangaba unaphepha, make plan. Hamba. Mara if unalo iphepha ilungelo lokuhlala la eMzansi. Mfowethu hlala ukhululekile. Ayikho nje into ezokuwela nge-30 June. Mara mawazi ukuthi iphepha lakho alikho right. Lungisa iphepha lakho mfowethu libe right. Nje sengiyakuthipa. Mawazi ukuthi iphepha lakho liyabheda. Make sure ukuthi namhlanje before i-30 June iphepha lakho lizabe seli right. In-30 June sesekude kakhulu bafowethu ukuthi nilungise izinto. Mara uMkhwanazi akadingi ukuthandwa, akadingi ukuzondwa. Akanandaba ukuthi uyamthanda, akanandaba nokuthi uyamzonda. uMkhwanazi yiphoyisa, uzokwenza ummerego wakhe. Ngoba naye ushilo athi maningezwa nje umuntu oyi-1 akhuluma ngokucotsha abantu bokufika nimazise. Angazi. Mina sengiyazikhulumela nje.
A week after the 30th of June, they'll be negotiating with the foreigners again. A week or a month after the 30th of June, they'll be negotiating with the foreigners again. Koma foreigners ohamba, hayi ngoba mhlambe ezogcinwa yithina. Cha. Bazoyihlalela emakhaya abo nje nabo, wherever they've built their home here in this country. Kulo mjondolo, kulelo flat bazobe beyihlalele endlini zabo nje. Lokho nje kuzokwenzeka. Ngani ngoba ngeke baxoxe endlini zabo unless they want to escalate lento abayenzayo and go house to house looking for the foreigner, which will be another fruitless and chaotic exercise. Ingakho ngithe the only logical solution kulento abayenzayo uthi bevele bebabulaleke. Should lokho kumele bevele bebabulale ngoba ukusalayo ngeke behambe ngentando yabo. Ngoba bafika ngentando yabo futhi angithi. We need to strengthen our immigration policy and strengthen our enforcement in order for the immigration crisis to be properly fixed. Lento eyenziwa yilaba is just unnecessary chaos that is distracting us from the real issues that are going on in this country.
Sanibonani bafowethu ninjani, mina ngisaseright ngisasemnandi bafowethu. Ngibona ubaba uphakela umthakathi la uthi ngomhla ka-30 June the deadline ukuthi abantu bangaphandle baphume baphele eSouth Africa. So ngicela ukubuza ke bafowethu ukuthi dewe ngicabanga ngakhona abantu bangaphandle bazohamba eSouth Africa na bonke. And enye into engididayo mina manje abasho ukuthi ama-illegal immigrants but abantu bangaphandle, foreigners, and the foreigners in their minds are those who comes from neighboring countries or in Africa. Kanti ama-foreigner abobani kahle kahle? Abobani ama-foreigners? Because ngokwazi kwami, foreigner is a white, black, Indian, colored, wherever. Uma ungaphuma eSouth Africa uyi-foreigner. So dewe basho ngakhona ngibona nale video la wadibana nomunye umjitha, ngazi ukuthi lo mjitha wasekhongo wambuza ukuthi bafowethu uphumaphi wena mfowethu. Lo mjitha athi mina ngiphume ekhongo. Kanti usafunani la because sitheni hambe nina. Akabuza ukuthi une passport or unamaphepha or kanjani. So ukuthi lento liyaqonda manje yacaca ukuthi kuliwa nama-foreigner ase-Africa. So bafowethu ngifuna ungitshela ukuthi le mpi le is not about foreigners. And uma ngicala impi nama-foreigners akusiwo wonke umuntu wase-South Africa ezonda abantu bangaphandle. Nikhumbule lokho. Kuzolwa nina ama-South Africans uqala before nifinyelele kuma-foreigners. Kuzolwa nina kucala, kuzolwa ama-South Africans. Ngiyanitshela bafowethu dewehleli ngakhona. Ningacabangeli nina nodwa la. Kunabantu abaningi baphila ngalabantu bavela ngaphandle. So uma nicala le mpi le ningakhohlwa ukuthi nama-South Africans azoba infected. So bafowethu ngicela nicommenteni ningitshele ukuthi ngomhla ka-30 June sho bonke abantu bangaphandle bazohamba, ngisho nabelungu phela lapha namashayina yonke indawo. Uma uthi foreigner u-include nabo labo ngibashula, u-include nabo labantu ngibashola.
Sanibonani, in short people, ngifuna sibheke le statement sikaphakela sokuthi 30th kaJune umlamla juqu ukuthi abokufika bahambe la eMzansi. Angithi mabangahambi people. Umbuzo wami uthi why le statement sikhutshwa uphakela yedwa kude le phansi kwesihlahla? Why amabhinqa uJacinta nabakaphakela uPhaboy 3, the three musketeers, bengahlalanga etafuleni kwi-press conference babize abantu bama-news bakhiphe le statement sikhitshwe huye uJacinta as the president of March and March, then laba bebese beyamfakazela? Ingaba uphakela umthakathi communications officer ye March and March na officially spokesperson na khona? Why uJacinta ethule? Wamane wathula nje, Jacinta wathula. Wamane wathula nje, Jacinta wathula. Uthuleleni Jacinta because our lives are in limbo. Silinde umlamla juqu 38 ezo affecta wonke umuntu la eMzansi, kodwa wena as the president of March and March and Operation Mabahambe uthule. Why? Bantu ngicela ningene ke ningitshela ukuthi kwenzakalani la.
ngike ngasho kuqala ngathi kunama leadership dynamics la amakhulu kunale message le phezulu kune subtext the underlining message okanye the underground message asibe sibeka ngelayman's term kwenzakalani people Ngosi danko ngithanda nonke emakhaya love you
bafethu uyozakhala uzwa labathi foreign national have also marked 30 June 2026 as the day they will be marching to Epitori. They are calling on all Africans in South Africa and abroad to join this march in order to make their voice heard. Cabanga bafethu shoot manje bafuna ukuyomasha scredi labantu laba. Uzwe Herman Mashaba uthini uthi why don't these people arrange as many marches as possible in their own countries? But Home Affairs, do your work on this day. Deploy enough officials to check their legal status in South Africa. Don't lose this opportunity. Bafethu ziyakhala mfethu ziyakhala. Omunye uthi Home Affairs should make fast and hire those 10,000 immigration officers. That will be the perfect day to arrest illegal immigrants. Shuthi bafethu ziyakhala. Ayiwana kuzoyenzakalani. Ngabe le match le kuzoza abantu vele abane-status zakhona ukuthi yazi mina vele ngine ID yami nayo namaphepha ama-right or kuzobe kugcwele laba aba-illegal yabo. But mfethu if bazoza ama-Africans mfethu kumele kube labo aba-documented. If akusibona hayi ithi I ask the immigration officer and South African police and ama-soldier, the Panyazas and all security forces to join in hand in arresting all those that will be not having a documentation. You know the date and time. This should be easy. Yo bafethu yazi bengibona le Shandis I was like vele labantu laba ba serious vele they wanna do this thing. Mara vele country ya wonke umuntu le is a rainbow nation. They failed to do that in their own countries and they think they stand a chance against South Africans. But labantu ba spontaneous. Angazi why ngihleka ngoba le ndaba serious bafethu serious yabo. And then umunye wathi let's arrange Home Affairs vans at the march. They will make our job easier leader. Shuthi vele bafethu bahamba no Paul Herman la no Herman Mashaba bafethu ke yazi ukuthini bafethu unicabangani ngale topic yenzakalayo wena ucabangani like ngiyashiselwa.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Ma-foreigners they are saying ukuthi even mhla ka-30 June they will still be here. They are saying ukuthi they are not going anywhere. Siyatika ukuthi kunema-poster la circulator-ko lapha etinkundleni yokuxhumana labiya kuphakela umthakathi lasho ukuthi kufuna kufike mhla ka-30 June ma-foreigners onke amukile ahambile aye to their countries because makungenjalo kuyoshuba so bantu nje bayasho ukuthi batikhulumela bayabathusa bona they are not going anywhere, they won't be shaken, but even after 30 June they will still be here in SA and that they are not going anywhere. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out, so goodbye.